Okay, I'm not far from Golly Bridge. I'm at Cotton Hill right now. Going out the coal train and the beautiful view of the New River here. This is what they call the dry part of the river. Because usually the floodgates of the dam is closed when there's not that much water coming through. Get back up this hill. Okay, I just realized I'm pointing the camera towards the sky for a second there. There's the end of the train. Yeah, I think that's the end of the train. Yep. Not the perfect train video because the lighting's not right. Still good filming location, but I kind of wish it was sunny and not cloudy. But there's the river. Beautiful view of the New River, just below the Hawks Nest Dam. I think I'm... Oh no, wait a minute. Am I below the Hawks Nest Dam? Yeah, I'm below the Hawks Nest Dam. I had to think for a second there. A little confusing about the area because Cotton Hill is past Hawks Nest. Kind of... I don't know if I can get back up here or not. That's the hard part. I'm going to say where I climbed. Well, I didn't climb down that. I climbed down this right here. I'm not going to film my ascent back up because I don't think I could, well, I could try. I don't know if I could film and climb this at the same time or not. Yeah, people do walk this. A bit extreme, but people walk stuff like this to get the perfect fishing spot because there's some great fishing spots through here. Not saying it's the brightest to climb up and down this. I guess it depends on the weather. I wouldn't do, if it's pouring down the snow or pouring down the rain, I would not be climbing something like this because I'd be too scared because it'd be too slippery. But on a day like this when it's not pouring down the rain and pouring down the snow, I guess it's not too bad. That was not easy. Okay, that's just weird. That's not easy, but at least I found a new filming location.